If you've ever wondered whether to use Gamma AI or Microsoft PowerPoint for your presentations, this video is for you. Both tools help you create slides, but they take very different approaches, and understanding the differences can help you decide which one fits your needs best. Let's start with Gamma AI. Gamma AI is an AI-powered presentation platform designed to save you time and effort. Instead of manually arranging slides, choosing fonts, or designing layouts, you simply input your content, and the AI generates professional-looking slides automatically. Gamma AI also helps structure your content logically, highlights key points, and suggests visuals that match your ideas. This makes it ideal for students, teachers, freelancers, and small business owners who want a polished presentation quickly without needing advanced design skills. On the other hand, Microsoft PowerPoint is a traditional presentation tool that gives you full control over every aspect of your slides. You can choose layouts, fonts, colors, images, and animations manually. PowerPoint is extremely versatile and widely used in schools, businesses, and professional settings. However, creating a polished presentation from scratch can take a lot of time, especially if you're not confident in design. The main difference lies in automation versus control. Gamma AI automates most of the design and content structuring, which saves time and reduces the stress of formatting. PowerPoint gives you complete creative control, but it requires more effort, design skills, and time to make slides look professional. Another difference is speed and efficiency. With Gamma AI, you can create a professional presentation in minutes, which is perfect for last-minute projects or quick client pitches. PowerPoint can take much longer, particularly if you want your slides to look unique and visually appealing. That said, PowerPoint still has advantages. It integrates well with other Microsoft Office tools, supports complex animations, and is ideal for users who want precise control over every detail of their presentation. Gamma AI, while faster and automated, is best suited for those who want efficiency, AI-assisted design, and professional-looking results with minimal effort. In short, if you value speed, automation, and smart AI design suggestions, Gamma AI is a fantastic choice. If you need full creative control and advanced features, PowerPoint remains a powerful tool. Choosing between the two depends on your priorities: efficiency versus control. So if you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tool comparisons, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Try both tools today and see which one works best for your presentation.